My name's Matt with Dynavibe. We are super excited. We splurged on a best Tugs. We've got a larger airplane than we used to have. It's pretty heavy. We're having a hard time pushing it up into the hangar. So we got a best Tugs. We got it in. We're super excited. I mean, you just look at the box itself. It's really heavy duty. Shipped here with no problems, easy to unload. And it even comes with a little set of uncrating instructions, which is great because it steps you through the whole process of getting it out of the box. To open it up, see what we've got in here. Oh, look at that. Got the Dynavibe logo, the thank you balloons, the seal they've got in here. Oh. We've even got Starburst for everybody. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look. Oh wow. Look at that. Wow, I'm just amazed at the build quality on this Tug. Looks like it's built high quality, top of the line. It's automotive grade switches. I love the e-stop button where it's at, so if the vehicle tries to come back, you're actually going to stop it so it doesn't run over you. Built-in air compressor. It's just everything you need in one package. Oh, nice. It comes with a charging adapter for the airplane, so we can plug that in if we want to do some ground testing. It's got the hose for the air compressor. Latch. It even comes with an air gauge and a charging system. I mean, he's really thought of everything. Just using the best Tugs for the first time, I was really surprised at how well the throttle control works. It's very controllable, but as soon as it centers, you know the Tug is going to stop. So I was able to pull up to the wheel of the plane without fear of it overrunning and running into the aircraft. I'm really impressed with how well that works. I'm really surprised. It's got a lot of torque. It's easy to pull up and down the hill. Runs great. I really like the low and high speed. I think I'll probably stay on low just from a size of the hangar perspective, but it works great. What a great machine. It's worked out great for us. We're able to pull the airplane out, put it in. They really knocked it out of the park with the system they've got here. It's got all the things we need. It's got the air compressor. It's got the light. I really love the throttle control. Great job, guys. Thank you.